Good evening students, welcome to class 6th maths. Now I am going to teach you the test of divisibility of 3 and 9. First we are going to study the test of divisibility of 3. Open your textbook on page number 43 for studying the test of divisibility of 3. Look at the given numbers on textbook page number 43. First one is 63. Okay. Sum of the digits in the number. You have to take the given number here. You have to write in addition form in the test of divisibility of 3. Okay. Given number is 63. So you have to write in addition form of this given number. So 63 will be written as 6 plus 3. So add this. 6 plus 3 is getting 9. After adding this given number and in the digit form here, after adding this 6 plus 3 you are getting 9. So here no, you have to say the 3 table. Okay. 3 how much are 9? 3 3s are 9. So is the sum divisible by 3? Yes, you have to tick mark. Is the given number divisible by 3? Answer is yes. In test of divisibility of 3, whatever the given numbers are there, you have to count the digit how much is there, and you have to write in addition form here in this column, and after adding the given number and in the digit form here, after adding, you have to say the table if it is going or not. If it is not going, you have to put here wrong sign, no sign you have to put. Okay, tick mark is yes sign and cross mark is no sign. Now next one, 872. Now 872, how many digits are there? 3 digits. So write in addition form. Sum of the digits in the number 872 is 8 plus 7 plus 2. Line wise you have to write addition form. 8 plus 7 plus 2, answer is getting 17. Say the 3 table. 17 number is going odd. So 17 number no in 3 table is not there. So it is the sum divisible by 3? No. Is the given number divisible by 3? Answer is no. Okay. After adding the in digit form here, when you write in addition form, after adding it should go 3 table. After adding the given number and in the digit form you are writing. Next one we'll solve now. 91. 91 will be written as 9 plus 1. Now add it. 9 plus 1 is 10. So now after adding this here in, after writing in digit form, sum of the digit form in the number 91, after adding this here 10 you are getting. So number 10, 3 table is going odd? No. So answer is no. Is the sum divisible by 3? No. Is the given number divisible by 3? No. Next one, 552. Write the sum of the digit in the number is 5 plus 2. Add this. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Okay. After adding this here, the given number and digit form, when you write addition form here, answer getting 12. So say the 3 table. Number 12 is there odd. Yes. 3 almost are 12. 3 4s are. Is the sum divisible by 3? Yes. Is the given number divisible by 3? Answer is yes. Other two sum also you have to do same thing. So I am doing here. Nine thousand 336. Sum of the digit in the number is, you have to write 9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6. How many digits are there? 4 digits are there. Write in addition form in sum of the digit of the number 9336. Answer getting 21. 3 almost are 21. 3 sevens are. Is the sum divisible by 3? Answer is yes. Is the given number divisible by 3? Answer is yes. Last one. Write the given number here, write in the sum of the digit form. Eighteen getting after adding this, which 4 digits in addition form, which you write answer getting 18. 3 6 are 18. So is the sum divisible by 3? Answer is yes. Is the given number divisible by 3? Answer is yes. Like this we have to do.